What is going on, everyone? This is Video Game Lover here. Oh man, Twitter has been and YouTube has been a gold mine today because Xbox fanboys are fuming with the recent news. So if you guys didn't know, it has been confirmed by Phil Spencer and Xbox that Call of Duty and other Activision Blizzard titles will be released in PlayStation beyond existing agreements. So I'm going to assume that maybe for the Xbox sake, they might have time exclusives. You'll have Call of Duty come out on, it'll release first and then it'll come out on PlayStation. So I must beg the question, what was the whole point of Microsoft buying Activision and Blizzard, and none of them are going to be exclusive? So I'm going to assume that it's either because of Game Pass, or is it because of maybe getting some time exclusive rights? I have no idea. But my gosh, has the assault been amplified right now? I mean, and heck, Mojito can even smell it right now. He can smell the salt right now. I mean, the salt is incredible. You have Kid Smooth crying on Twitter. So PlayStation can get Xbox, get Marvel, Spider-Man, current Final Fantasy games. I'm asking for a friend that plays on Xbox. Dude, go onto his Twitter. He is legit crying right now about the news. Of course, my personal favorite, Erok X. This dude is live streaming about the news. This man is in copium mode. When the news hit, Sega Man was live streaming, and Unlimited Production 1 was saying, PlayStation's still gonna have Call of Duty, and Sega Man was in copium mode. I know Retro Fusion Gaming is in massive copium mode right now. So what was the point? What was the point of them buying it? $70 billion down the drain. Oh, man. Wow, man. So, I know Xbox fanboys. I know, man. Y'all wanted Sony to die. Y'all wanted Phil Spencer to pull the trigger. He couldn't do it. He couldn't do it. He couldn't do it. I know Harmon Smith is probably upset because he thought that this was it. This is it. PlayStation's going to be dead. Nope. PlayStation is immortal, folks. It ain't going anywhere. You all want PlayStation to die? It's going to stay here for eternity.